ตัวนี้จะเป็นไงบ้าง
Get the one you want, huh? Okay.
Pomegranate, one side pomegranate, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my garden house, garden plant in pot benefits in the house. Today, I'm gonna plant pomegranate, mini pomegranate, guys. I bought from Temple last 3-4 days ago. It's $20. Look at the flower, everything in. So let's go start plant and make the house beautiful and benefit the leaf. You can make the tea, and I might can have some pomegranate coming out and I eat that. You never know. Okay, let's go start it, guys. Happy Friday, everyone, and this is welcome to my garden. I have so much to show you and share with you all, and then this is the beautiful house plant benefit. I don't need a home. If I have home, even better, but I don't have home. Let's go start from this way. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, this is beautiful pomegranate tree, mini pomegranate tree. They call they say bonsai. Okay, awesome. I don't want that big. Okay, and I got perfect pot right here. So let's put in new pot and let's see what's going on. Okay, everyone, what I have to do, this is got enough the dirt already, but I need the new, but right now it's too little, so I'm just not gonna change. I'm just add the dirt in here to make a nice and moist. Add the dirt in here, guys. Okay, so this is the dirt right here. Just add it up. You know, this is my job every day. We can do this every day. I feel so happy to do the plant, guys, because I'm retired. All I have to do is just enjoy with my plant and make you happy. No stress, happiness. And I love plant in the house. It makes so beautiful. Even if they go beautiful, man, I take a look all days. Happy. It's nothing to make me happy more than plant and benefit in the house. Make you feel good, no stress, feel good and happy. I don't know how to tell you. If you love plant, guys, that's the way how you feel. This is the way how I feel, you know, when I love plant. So just go add some more water. You know, then I'm gonna change the new pot later on, but not now. Later. And now just go what I can right now, just like this. Okay, the pot not that big. Maybe I change bigger pot, guys. We'll see. Let me see. Right now I don't have big pot, but this is perfect. But you know, but the dirt is so low. I need that more bigger, little bit. But this is a pot right here, perfect though. Perfect to put it on, and it's okay. Right now I'm just deal with that right now, just the way it is. Deal with that first. Try to put more best I can. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at the flower. Look at the flower. About to go pomegranate, and the leaf right here. I can make the tea. Oh yes, I can make the tea. Okay, let me put water. With water in here. They're so cute. Very cute, guys. And I love. Make you happy and stay young. You know, when you plant like this, it make your mind stay young, guys. Believe me or not. I just love plants so much. You know, my house is like a garden. I live in a condo, but it's okay. You don't have to have a big house to plant. You know, I still enjoyed it. I live in a condo, so still I have room for that, for do what I need to do. Nobody can take away from me my happiness, because you don't believe that, guys. If you're not working like me, oh man, I'm telling you, the plants make you so happy. And to believe me or not, it makes you stay young. I feel like I have something to do. Yep, this is the best. It's the best. I feel I have something to do. Yeah, stay for the small part first. For right now, stay like this. For future, I might change. You know, something like this. I have to cut off something like this. Let me see. This. They're not beautiful. Trim up this one right here. Yeah, if they're not beautiful, trim up. I trim it off. I don't know if it's still alive or what, you know, but I don't care. I trim off. Oh, okay, it's dry. I mean, they are about to broke. Stuff like that, you know, trim off, and whatever stay alive and grow more leaf. Yeah, make it beautiful and make me happy. And because I, you know, keep my plant, if they grow beautiful, or even you're more happy. It's just like I feel like, oh, that's it. This is my thing right now. Love. They are so beautiful, everyone. Okay, everyone, if you feel this one going down, all you have to do is just leave it up. Oh, this is broken. Just leave it up, put on the like this again to each other right here, and it stay beautiful. Oh my god, I lost it. Oh my god, I don't be careful. I lost it. Oh my god, I lost it. Okay, now I think they're okay now. They're beautiful now. So the flower, I got one flower here. Oh my god, I lose a flower. I cannot believe I forgot the eggshell. This is eggshell. I eat the egg, I keep the shell and dry them. I put vitamin for them, calcium. Put the eggshell. I forgot about mix with the dirt. Now I realize I forgot about that. Okay, to get more vitamin for them. They need it. Okay, everyone. Pomegranate ready to rock and roll. They're beautiful. I might have the fruit right here, and just go ahead and put in the perfect pot right here. Oh my goodness, perfect. I have to say it's perfect pot right here. Let's see, is it going down or not? Oh no, they don't going down. So what should I do? Oh, okay, that's better. All right. Yeah, they're going down. They're going down. Yes. Oh my god, everyone, perfect. The pot, so beautiful, so cute. Mini pomegranates. So cute. Oh my god, that's perfect right here. Love. Okay, everyone. Let's go to the front. Make a nice and sunshine. Come on in. Okay, let's go in the front. Okay, gonna be right here because benefit to the sun coming up and the window right there. Perfect this side right here. Perfect spot, everyone. Just right here with their friends. Their friends right here. This is snake plant benefit. Benefit when you sleep, breathe. Nighttime they are, open this oxygen. And this is beautiful right here. Oh my God, so beautiful. Okay, everyone. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe for me, and I can share with you more different kind of plant because I am from Laos and Thailand, and we have different kind of plants. We don't have to using only plant from here. We get plants around the world, and where I come from. And please thumbs up for me, subscribe to make me happy to do the video all the time. And thank you for watching, guys. And I love you all. Take care. See you next video. Okay, bye bye now. Bye.